Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all,
My soul of addiction for now, cause I'm falling apart. Yeah.
Question number one. What is the name of Kanye West's shoe line?
Yeezys.
Yeezys, that is correct. Question number two. This pop icon is deemed to be a national hero in the island of Barbados. Who is it?
Rihanna.
Have confidence. Okay, adult, you got that correct. Question number three. What city is credited for creating trap music?
Oh, ATM.
Atlanta.
Trap music. I think that is ATM.
Well,
Girl, you don't know the damn answer. Good morning, y'all. Happy Wednesday. I don't know the last time I picked up the vlog. Y'all, I woke up late. I ain't get myself together. Oh well, I'm in my pajamas, but I'm still doing what I gotta do, and that's taking my daughter to therapy, and then after I'm gonna take her to school. It's hella traffic. I did leave a little bit early, even though I woke up late, to get myself dressed. That the how you call it? I was gonna go to McDonald's, but it's so much traffic. Like, I don't think I'm gonna make it in time. But I'm trying to gauge that now. Let me actually use the GPS and see what it say. But I'm gonna come back and talk to y'all later. Alright, y'all. It's 9:45. So I went ahead and got Malia breakfast. So she like hash browns. And then I got a McGriddle. So I'm gonna leave her the McGriddle part and the sausage, but she don't like the egg. So I'm gonna eat that. And that'll be my breakfast. I think it has some cheese on it. But y'all, today I go on the phones by myself today, and I'm a little nervous. Oh, I don't know. I don't want to eat this. But I'm a little nervous. Having to go on the phones today. I'm going to play a little woo song when I do start. Yeah, I feel so bad. Like, my mom has not been herself, which is understandable because, you know, losing somebody is hard. Because I don't know if I told you, but I think I did, that my granddad passed. So she's just been sad and she's not herself, and I'm just so worried about her. But like, I'm also trying to give her space at the same time. But it's just it's crazy to see my mom like this. And maybe, like, you know, I'm gonna give her some time, and then maybe I could like take her somewhere or something to get her mind off of it. I know she said she wanted to go to the beach, so maybe one day I could tell her, okay, we could go to the beach, and then I'll make sure we go real early so we can get a cabana, because I know she'll like that, and have her some wine and just relax and stuff. So yeah, but I will probably come back to y'all later and tell y'all how work went, because I am a little nervous, child. And oh my god, y'all, I see Starbucks got a new drink, but I don't think I'm gonna have time to go get that today. Maybe I'll get it tomorrow, after she get out of therapy. Okay, y'all, so I came to Starbucks after all, since it's on my daughter's school, and this is how it looks. It looks real pretty. Oh, this tastes good. I should have added some liquid cane sugar, but it's good. I like this a lot. So y'all go ahead and try this thing. It's a new drink. I forgot what it's even called, but it's a new drink at Starbucks. Y'all go ahead and try it. It's really good. I meant to tell them no ice, but nonetheless. Hey y'all. So we just left therapy, me and my daughter. Well, for her, really, but I just said me and her. And now I am on my way to go get an oil change. I don't know if they have a loaner or not, but if not, that's fine. We'll just take a Lyft, and then I'm gonna take her to this indoor playground to kill time because, honey, they be taking forever. Like, I don't know why oil change takes so long at the dealership. Like, it shouldn't take that long. But nonetheless, we are gonna go do the oil change, and then we gonna go to an indoor playground and get something to eat because I'm hungry. So if y'all saw in the last vlog, I went to New Orleans and I came back, obviously, but I said I need to buckle down on what I'm eating. Like, I always be saying that, and I feel like I'm so bloated. So I feel like I just need to just be eating salads, meat and veggies, like salads, meat and veggies, more fruit. I need to get me some more poppy sodas too, because I feel like that helps me. But we'll see how this day goes because I do want to take a nap. Like, I'm tired. So yeah, I am going to take you guys along with us, and we almost there to the the dealership, and then I will take you guys along with us when we do everything else. So I had chocolate on my mouth this whole time, whatever, and then I need to put on my lip gloss because I just finished eating a donut. Malia, you ate your donut? I'm like, why my bag wet? This wasted. Great, just great. But I got a big one right here, so I'm gonna refill it. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later.
This what you came, this what you came for. You get what you made, this what you paid for. So make sure the stars is what you aim for. Make mistakes though. I never worry. Life is a journey. I just wanna enjoy the ride. What is it? It's pretty early. It's okay. We'll take our time. The night is still young. The night is still young. The night is still young. And so are we.
Alright, y'all, so we left the dealership, we left the playground. They was taking forever with my keys, but now we at Sprouts because I want to get some poppy sodas. So we're about to head and get that really quick. And I need some turmeric for my juice order. What else do I need out of here? Oh, I might get some a sandwich if deli or not, or a salad out of here. But yeah, let's see. This me using my stroller as a basket. Girl, you too much. Hey y'all, happy Friday. I ain't come back to y'all yesterday because, honey, we came home and we took a nap. Sure did. I ain't wake up until like almost 6:30. So me and my daughter was up all night, which means we overslept today. So she didn't go to school. But her dad was off, so it kind of worked out. And then today is it's appreciation week at work, so they doing an event for all of us, and we all work from home, so it's gonna be kind of different. And then I just started this new position, so I really don't know nobody, but I did meet this one associate, and we was in training together, so I'll just be with her, and she's cool. So, honey, that's where I'm going. So we're gonna be doing Top Golf.
Turn right onto Northwest 121st Court.
Are y'all going? I can't see. Okay. So yeah, almost there. Wait, 121st Court? But where that's gonna take me? It's a whole bunch of buildings. Okay, let me get
Head
to where.
east on Northwest 25th Street.
Okay.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Northwest 117th Place, Telemundo Way.
I think I was supposed to turn. Okay, let me see where I gotta go, child. I'll talk to y'all when I get there. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. So y'all, I am cooking and I'm tired. I'm making oxtails, rice and peas, and mac and cheese, and my mama making collard greens. But so yeah, I am just waiting for the oxtail to finish, and I made a juice order. I had my brother drop it off because I'm tired, and I'm just waiting for the macaroni noodles to be done so I could finish that, and then I'm just waiting for the oxtails to be tender so I could thicken the sauce and all that and do the finishing touches on that. But when I am done, I'm going to show y'all. I was going to do a Sunday reset video, but I ended up not doing that. So, yeah. Who is that at the door? I'll be back, y'all.